New TomTom channel. I hope you guys are doing really great today, and today I will be unboxing one of the best casing for the S22 Ultra Samsung by OTTERBOX. Okay, I just got this from Hong Kong, so this is the original Samsung. Wow, it's kind of dirty. Okay, this is the original casing from Samsung, the one with the strap. It is really comfortable. You know, I don't have a problem with this. I can hold it with my hand like this, and I can put it in a belt. Okay, and this is just a regular one. This is Note 9, Samsung Note 9 with the stylus, and this is the Samsung S22 Ultra, the 512GB version, and this is the OTTERBOX one, the Defender Pro. Okay, this is the antibacterial, and this is like heavy duty. It means it can withstand like drops. Okay, and it is an antimicrobial casing here. Okay, as you can see, it's 5G compatible, and you can use it for charging your wireless as well. That's the Defender Pro. So OTTERBOX Defender Pro. Okay, and if you want to read this, 4 times as many drop as military standard. Wow, 4 times. And wireless charging, outlets heavy use, multi-layer defense, and it has a holster. Okay, it is from Hong Kong, and it has like a guarantee. So if you break it, then it's and you can change it lifetime. Okay, you got brand new. They will ship it from Hong Kong. You don't pay shit. Okay, you don't pay shipping fee. You got a new one. Okay, just don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you find it useful. And as you can see, the original Samsung strap one doesn't have like a closure on the port. Okay, so it is exposed to dust. Okay, with all this. But with the Defender Pro, it comes with this. Okay, so let's take it out, break the seal. I don't think I have to break the seal. Okay, let's see what is it saying. Okay, I'll take this out. Okay, it's really simple. I'm using one hand, so I'm just gonna do it the rough way. Alright. Okay, this is how it looks. Let me focus. Okay, that's how it looks. This is the OTTERBOX global warranty. Okay, and this is just designed for Samsung. Okay, if you zoom it, it is 1 to 2 years warranty. As you can see, 1 year or 2 years for the product purchase. Okay, that's what it says. Okay, there's a warranty period is the lifetime of the product, which is 5 years from the original purchase date. This is awesome. Oh my god, there's a 1, 2, 3 product. I don't know which one is which for the cell phone case. Okay, I think I see. Okay, this is the second one, OTTERBOX smartphone case. Okay, this is 7 years from the original date of purchase. You can get as many as casing from this. Alright, for the OTTERBOX for the Note 9, it's not that good. All the rubber will wear off over time. It will like get a crease and crack, so I change it to a new one. Okay, this is the OTTERBOX. This is how it looks. It's really slim compared to the Note 9 casing. Alright, oh, there's a protection flap here. Okay, which is better than the original one without the flap. So there's like 2 flap, I believe. Okay, this one, I think one of this for the charging port. Okay, so let's take it out. Okay, as you can see, if you touch it, there's like a memory foam here. Do you see that? It's like bouncing every time I press it down. Okay, this is the that's the distance from the flat surface. Okay, so if you sit from the flat surface, it will have like a small gap. Look at that. See, you can see the gap, which is pretty good. Okay, you can insert a credit card, and every time it's touching, you know, it will not touch the screen. Okay, so it's pretty good. That's how you see how the casing is good or not. Okay, this is the regular case, not the OTTERBOX. You know, it's like slimmer, you know. This one has like bigger gap, so this one is not as good, you know, because it's almost touches. Okay, if it's like drop like really bad, then it might touch. Okay, this one is like a little bit higher. Okay, so if you put a credit card, it will get, you know, it's kind of get stuck. Okay, I'm gonna put like a phone here, so I will know if the phone will get stuck. Okay, compared to this regular non-OTTERBOX case. When you buy a S22 Ultra, you already got like the film. Look at the screen protection, you know, like it comes with it. Okay, as you can see, but it's only cover this. Okay, it doesn't cover this side. Okay, just the top portion and also the back portion. Okay, it will, you already have like a protection, so just don't take it out. Okay, it is good so you don't get stretched easily. Okay, that's the sticker, as you can see. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, it is limited until up here only. Okay, that's the border. All right, and the stylus is of course on the left side. All right, it is pretty easy to take this apart. All right, as you can see, there's a microphone button on the top, so I'll just do it like slowly but safe. Hold on, let me take it out. Okay, finally. Okay, this is how it looks. I think you have to take apart one more. Let's read it, made in China. Okay, and that's made in China too. Okay, so let's take apart the casing. So there is 1, 2, 3 locks on the side that you have to take apart. Okay, so just careful so you don't break the plastics. Let me do it. And there's also one on the bottom and one on the top. All right, it is that easy. Okay, you have to take apart the top, the bottom, and the side, and the rest will follow up. All right, just be really careful. Be tender. Okay, and you might want to wipe it first. Let me wipe it. Okay, I wish it comes with the alcohol. Okay, so the next one, you have to put this here, I believe. Okay, that should be matching. Okay, let me do it carefully. Hold on. It's just really easy. You just like press it slowly. Okay, until all the gaps are being closed. Okay, I think it's good. Okay, no, make sure everything is lined up perfectly. Okay, all the ports, all the gaps are closed, you know, tightly. Okay, if not, then it will not secure perfectly. Let me put it this. Only have one hand, so let me do it. Okay, it looks pretty easy. I'm using one hand and it is still fine. Okay, so let me make sure it is secured. Okay, you should use like 2 hands, but I'm holding my camera, so let me do it. All right, so finally it is done, and it looks great with all the flaps covering, you know, one side of the charging port. Okay, it is good to grab, you know, and it protects the camera, you know, and you can put it here on the back. And if you want to watch something, you can just turn it like this, you know, and it's gonna hold. Okay, just do it like that. It's gonna hold like this. Okay, look at that. Okay, it's pretty good. All right, so it has like a multi-function. It is like 360, I believe. Okay, it is 360. The holster, you can use your belt to do it. So you can hold it like this, with your hand like this, if you want. Okay, or you can take this out and cover it by itself. Okay, you can see it's easy to cover, and you can do it like this and then put it in your belt. Okay, just put it somewhere in your belt. I don't have a belt. Okay, so let's now do a so when you put this, it adds the protection, okay, from every side basically. So let's now do a credit card test. We'll see if the credit card can go through. Okay, from the top. Okay, wow, it can go. Okay, so let's try it with this. Okay, it can, but it's kind of gets stuck. Okay, it means the screen touches the credit card. Okay, see, I have to use like a higher force, but with this I can just do it like easily. You can see, oh wow, it's all the way there. So thank you guys for listening and watch this video. I hope you find my video is really useful, and always subscribe and stay strong and question everything. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, this is Angry Tom Tom. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye. Feels really good, you know. It's really grippy.